Before my husband and I made the decision that we wanted financial independence, we were sort of floating through life.
Liz Thames was living in the Boston area in her early 30s with her husband Nate, not paying much attention to where their hard-earned money was going each month.
We didn't really have any major goals, either for our money or for our long-term trajectory. So we were going out to dinner all the time, buying craft beer.
In early 2014, Thames' husband surprised her with a question that would radically change the course of their lives.
He asked me, "When are you happiest?" And I said, "Well, I'm really happiest when we're hiking." He said, "Exactly, me too. I think we need to move there."
There is a homestead in Vermont that they could buy and retire to.
What we eventually came around to was a recognition that if we pursued true extreme frugality, we would actually be able to do it in about 3 years.
To do this, they scrutinized their budget and saved 70% of their income.
We went through every line item and talked about whether or not it was something we could eliminate, reduce, or find a frugal analog for.
Thames cut out expensive haircuts, traded a few work hours for yoga classes, and her husband started doing DIY projects around the house. They also shared their experiences through their blog, the Frugalwoods. After 2 years, their hard work paid off. They moved into their homestead in rural Vermont. Now Thames is living her dream of being a full-time writer and just released her first book called Meet the Frugalwoods: Achieving Financial Independence Through Simple Living.
Being able to stay home and be full-time parents and ultimately just having discretion over how our day gets used is extremely fulfilling for us.
While Thames acknowledges that she has been blessed with the tools and resources to make their dreams of financial independence come true, she offers advice to anyone who is interested in pursuing a more frugal life.
Be really clear about your goals. Then figure out how you need to get your money to get you there. It's really not about what you're giving up, it's about what you're going to gain.